My necklace broke. I feel so bare chested. Somebody buy me some baguettes, please. Anywho, so the two birds decided it was smart to just fly off. This one bird in particular that I sat here and hit, and I hate to talk about it because it's right here in front of my car. I sat here and hit the bird because this solution was to just jump back on the side it was first on, my side. And as soon as it did that, before it could even land, boom, I hit it. And I knew it was stuck on my car because I went straight to looking in my rear view and I did not see nothing roll, fly, nothing. I don't see nothing. So I just know it's stuck on my car. Okay, so I'm thinking either the bumper caught it, like it catch everything else apparently, or it's stuck on something that big. It's like a big silver thing in the front of my car. I believe I'm finna sound stupid, but I think every car has it. And it's this big silver thing. Almost looks like the back of like those wall AC units. But anywho, um, I was like, hopefully it didn't mess with that. But I'm finna. So how I knew that it was stuck on my thing was I stopped at my house and I obviously saw it. So we got this old broom, mop. Yeah, mop. And I'm finna try to. Where are my gloves? Did I leave my gloves on my hood? Y'all, I had gloves to go with this. And I left it on my hood. And my neighbors was out and they ain't say nothing. Whatever. Whatever. Anywho, well, now we just have this mop. And I'm finna just hope. Listen, I don't wish death. Oh, I'm covering the camera. I don't wish death on nothing. Okay. But I kind of hope that. I shouldn't say it. I just don't want it to fly at me. If I poke it out, is all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I ain't saying nothing bad. I'm just a little nervous. So I'm over here parked by my old school. And look at it, y'all. Look at it. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but look at it. And then right here is where that other bird hit that grill and it pushed it. Ooh, Chile. Oh, I didn't know you could see that. Oh, oh, my God. It's okay. Ooh, I just noticed something that I didn't notice at my house. Oh, crazy. One glove just flew back to the back of my trunk, so at least I have one glove. Great. Um, but I just noticed that its position. Look at how it's put. We are looking at his back right now. Up there's the front, the wings. I told you I caught the bird while it was. Oh, Jesus Christ! I ain't even trying to fool with this bird. Damn, I need a man. Damn. I just hope. I hope it don't move. I hope it. Please. Okay, I'm finna just put the camera down. I'm finna try to work it. God damn. Okay, finna try to work it. If I can get my camera to stay up, I am on an incline hill. So, ooh, folks probably gonna ride by, cause this high school. I mean, not a high school, but whatever. I'm finna. Ooh, shit! Did it move? Oh, okay. So y'all see it. Oh shoot. Oh Jesus. Please. I don't even know how to go about this. Oh my God. Oh, oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Is it? Man, can, it can't be. I'm finna just try to swoop it from his wing. Y'all, tell me why. Man, man, that thing stuck. At this point, it's too hot. Bruh. Yo. Oh. Oh, no. Oh. Oh.